Changing your verification method on your Apple ID can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website or open the Settings app on your device. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign in. Step 2. Access security settings. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Choose verification method. Look for the option to change your verification method. You may see options like text message, phone call, or authentication app. Select the method you wish to use. Step 4. Verify your identity. Depending on the new verification method you selected, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code and enter it to confirm the change. Step 5. Save changes. After successfully verifying your new method, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your verification method has been updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your verification method on your Apple ID, ensuring your account remains secure.